Welcome back everybody, Seth here. This video is kind of a weird one because this is essentially going to be the end of the Two Sides to Everything page, and it's not all bad. I've been using this YouTube channel for the last 10 years, and I've posted other things on this channel, and it's been my personal channel for forever. And I decided I want to more or less put all my eggs in one basket and focus on only cars and have it be an official channel. So I decided if we're gonna do this, let's do it right. So I'm starting a new channel called Kool Kruzzers, and some of you who's been watching the channel a while know what this is all about. Kool Kruzzers is the name of our car club, and it ain't about having, you know, if it's a perfect show car or it's a hot rod or whatever. It's just about having something classic, something cool, and you just drive. You know, you don't have to, the paint don't have to be perfect. Ain't gonna have the biggest engine in it. You know, if you think it's cool, it's a Kool Kruzzer. And that's the idea behind the whole Kool Kruzzer. My grandpa made that up a long time ago. We used to have a national car show for the Kool Kruzzers, so I'm bringing it back. So I'm gonna put a link in the description and in the comments of this video with the link to the official Kool Kruzzers YouTube channel for everybody to come on over to. I understand this won't be a all-in-one. Everybody subscribes to the new channel and all that. So I'm gonna be posting on this channel regularly for about a month or so longer. Long enough for everybody who's on this channel, who's watching and enjoys what I do. Gives them all a chance to come over and subscribe and follow along. Cause I'm picking up right where I left off. I'll be posting some reruns of the old stuff off the Two Sides channel. And some stuff some of you might have not seen from my older videos. So we'll have a good few months here, but we're doing Kool Kruzzers is our new YouTube channel. It's our car club. I hope you guys will be a part of it. So stick along. Whoa! Shit! What? How fast are you going? 15. Alright guys, got the 60 Edsel. Push back over here by the garage. Been too long, but it's time to get started on the rear end. So this is where she's gonna sit. It's coming in. Oh, yep, there it is. Yeah, this drum's loose already. Well, hell, it should turn then. We're gonna see if this rear end will spin now. We beat the drums loose. Oh, maybe they're still a little caught up. I don't know. That's reverse. So this side's going both directions. Yep.
Push down there, works.
What? How fast are you going?
15.
I heard it. Yep.
La 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 la.
Yeah, it lets you. It's pretty fancy. It tells you when it's done. Fuck that one.
Fucking just laying here.
Well, we want to pull it out my side probably.
Well, we want to pull it straight out the back. That's what we want.
Okay. Yeah.
We want to drag it. You're set. Do mine.
Okay.
Oh.
Did it.
It's fucking really steady.
Well, if you
No, it's like literally steady. Grab that tail out or something.
so we know we can kick it over, huh? And then it'll come down.
Let me try to put it. Just pull back. There you go. Come on, sister.
Oh, you're on a perch. Hey.
You got a long 9/16?
No. I
Use
don't
the
know.
black socket.
Well, it is a 9/16.
Something about the cover. Here's my lug nut. This is my lug nut. No one can have my lug nut. Mine. Mine. There you go.
They're in the toolbox there.
That big is typical.
Typical.
Once it starts to turn, you should continue.
Oh.
Stopping like that. Lose power.
I don't think I can get on this.
Need a swivel?
I need an end wrench or something.
You need a swivel. Got that swivel out of my third drawer. Just get the swivel. These damn millennials think they know everything.
Well, here is the 3-to-1 ratio gear end out of the 63 Galaxy. Got out of the car, got on the trailer, got out front here. Let's swap into our 60 Edsel. Tomorrow we're going to take the car wash, blow all this crap off of it, put some paint on it, clean it up, transfer all our brake hardware and whatnot, and this car should be driving soon. Today is Thursday, so this is all for today, folks. Thanks everybody for watching our little progress update on the 60 Edsel and getting her fixed up. And I'm sad we had to tear up that Galaxy, but from you saw the frame was just gone. So that car is gonna give my Edsel some new life and get us back on the road. I'm I'm happy we can do it. I'm sad about the car, but what can you do? Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the new channel. Let me know when you get there. I'll see you next Friday.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Kool Kruzzers video. We're so excited. Today we're going to be working on a rear end of our 1960 Edsel Ranger. Now this is a very rare car and we had an unfortunate mishap the other day. The rear end just popped right out. No clue why. But let's get started, guys. You know. Yeah.
Oh, that was terrible.
Yes.
I'm Ethan. Hey guys, welcome back to the Kool Kruzzers channel.
You should put that at the end of your video. Put it right at the end.
Oh, that'd be great.
Yeah, like a blooper,
Welcome back.
like a bloopers section.
Oh shoot.
Put it at the end, guys. Hello everybody, welcome back to the Kool Kruzzers YouTube channel. Today we have a special video for you guys. We're going to be replacing the rear end in our 1960 Edsel Ranger.
What are you doing? You're a chimp man over here.
You can see it though. Look, see I'm holding the car right now in the video.
You're right a little bit to this way. There you go.
I'm holding the car.
All right.